are looking for a home remedy you could use at home for your kids when they're coming down with the cough, the flu, any mucus within their internal digestive tract, their throat, I hope you guys stick around for this. Again, any remedies you are trying, this is what works for me. I've done it like through generation. I am from the Caribbean, so we use a lot of herbs. This remedy is consisted of turmeric, ginger, it has lemon in it, and I am using the Manuka honey. If you don't have Manuka honey, you could use any other honey that is there. I hope you guys stick around for the full video. It is something you should definitely add to your mixes at home for getting rid of the cold, mucus, or any inflammatory problems within your digestive tract. Stick around for the full video. Hi Kin families, I hope you are having a wonderful day today. Today it is all about the kids. I will be making a concoction for my son. I woke up this morning and this is what I heard. You hear that? So we need to take care of this immediately. That you're hearing in the background right now. My son never had the cold. This is the first time I'm experiencing this because guess what? When he's with me, I ensure that he has buffered vitamin C during school. He also have a lot of just nutritional things. However, during the summer this year, he got a chance to be spoiled by eating a lot of pizzas. Not from me. He had a lot of pizzas and ice cream and all these things. Now with me, I eat a lot of plant foods. So it is my duty now to get him his immune. You had to embarrass me. Why would you even try to embarrass me? I am actually trying to make a video and anywho, he does have ice cream with me sometimes. So the embarrassment is real. I don't give you ice cream all the time though. I don't. I swear. Anyhow, back to the conversation. I mean, I don't deprive him of eating. However, in the summer, he did have a lot of ice cream. You did. You had a lot of ice cream. I saw the videos and the photos. Okay, but I don't deprive my son of having snacks because, again, he's a child. He goes to school. He sees friends, eat pizzas, cookies, things of that sort. We have there are schedules he would follow here when he could have certain things. Like right now, if he's having the cough, I would tell him stay away from anything dairy. I don't consume dairy, he consumes dairy. But there is this 1% where he sometimes shoves things in my mouth, so I don't consider myself 100% vegan. My meal plan, as you know, is 99%. Yeah, 99% vegan. Anyhow, to the video, guys. We are making this concoction right now. It is going to be a mix of ginger, lemon. I am not going to put the lime in it, but lemon, turmeric, and I'm going to give him something that is non-vegan, which is honey. This is what we're going to make right now, okay? I have some fresh fruits here. Hopefully his hands is clean when I'm eating this. I don't get the cold, so I'm not worried. My hands. Okay, good. These are the two things you might be needing for this concoction. You could either get a mason jar or one of these ice cube tray. You could put this in the freezer, cover it up, and every morning some warm water. Lukewarm water. When you boil your water, you just take 1 cube, drop it in the water, and drink it. 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening, throughout the week, and I guarantee in 7 days, all the film on your chest will come out. Going to put some water in my bowl, and we're going to clean that up. This is the ginger. I'm going to wash that up. I am going to juice the ginger with the peel on, okay? This is turmeric. It's not the organic turmeric. This one is yellow turmeric. I had no choice because there was nothing organic left. So this is what I will be using. We're gonna juice that up. It is your choice to combine all of the ingredients together, or you can place them in separate mason jars And then when you are giving it to your kids, you take 1 teaspoon, mix them together, give it to them with some honey. The honey I will be using is actually called Manuka Honey, right? It's one of the best honeys you could find out there. So I'm going to be juicing all this ginger up, and we are going to juice the lemon for this concoction. It is good to use black pepper with turmeric. It's really good for absorption, right? But with my son, I will not be using that. This is Manuka Honey. You guys could get that at Costco. Ensure you read your instructions before using it for your kids, right? Make sure you check the consumption amount before giving it to kids, especially if the kids, they're below 5. My son is 8. He's really good. He's been eating plants from a baby. So I have used a lot of things with him. I know what my child could consume. Speak to your physician, speak to your pediatrician when you are preparing things like this for your kids. Again, this is something I use regularly in my home. Okay, so this is the ginger. We're going to juice that up right now, okay? Zane, you want to start the machine for mommy, please?
Okay, so
yes. Just spin it around. Good job. Allow the ginger to fully juice. This is very nice ginger.
It's
Very nice.
yellow.
Now I'm going to put the turmeric.
No, it's gonna ruin the color of yellow.
Now the turmeric is something you have to be so careful with because it does stain. So you have to ensure that as soon as the turmeric is done, you put your other vegetables in because it's gonna stain your white. It's turmeric juice. Okay, lemon with the rest of the turmeric. After this video, I will be juicing beets. So you guys do not want to miss this video. I can tell you everything beets has done for me.
Beet fries.
Yeah, Zane want to make beet fries. You can make salad with it. We're juicing that later today.
Oh, it's very
Because I do not want my machine to stain, I am going to wash it right away because this is turmeric. So with turmeric, you have to ensure, let's just take all the juice out.
Look at this.
We wash our machine right away. So this is the mixture right here. This is the concoction, right? You can put it in your tray, your ice cream tray, but I am going to pour it in a mason jar. Yeah, I heard you.
No, you did that.
So we're going to leave this there. It is so rich. Trust me. Like, look at this.
Can you turn that into a sauce?
You could make sauces with it. Now, I am going to make the mix for my son. Now, what I will be doing, I will be mixing the Manuka Honey with the mix. And you just get yourself a bowl. I will be using about this is a tablespoon, so this is half of a tablespoon, right? So this is my honey, half of a tablespoon, and then 1 tablespoon of the mix. Okay, 1 tablespoon, and we're going to mix this together. You also need some warm water, okay? Okay, I'm gonna mix this. Remember, this could be too strong for the kids, so you put the warm water inside of it. So my hot water is ready. I don't want to put it too hot because again, I want to keep let's just put, I'm gonna put a bit of hot water in here. I'm gonna mix it a bit. Okay, we don't want it boiling too much, and I'm gonna mix it with. So now I am gonna put in about 2 tablespoons of the warm water. I put 3. Okay, this is going to ensure that whatever he has, as parents, you taste it. It's very strong. Okay, buddy.
Yeah?
Come.
Did you say something?
It's very strong, so you have to
Just drink it instantly.
all right, so I'm gonna give you about a tablespoon.
Tablespoon.
This is strong, okay?
Okay.
Let's do half a tablespoon. You hear that? Come here. Come. This is going to help you take the film out, okay? Be the video.
I'm
Come.
gonna do a countdown.
Okay, come
10.
here. Come.
9, 8,
Okay.
7, 6,
You
5,
don't have a lot of battery.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh. So throughout the day, I have about 2 more. I'm gonna give him one a bit later and one closer in the evening. Then I'm gonna store this now in the fridge, and this is what he is going to have. So guys, stick around. This is an awesome video. You guys don't want to miss this, okay? Concoction completed. Bye everybody.